Jim! Jim! Jim!
It's day number 2 of the show. It's day number 2.
What? Day of the Dead. Ah, November 1st and 2nd. That means we'll have to do 2 videos. Sounds like a great idea.
Yes, the Day of the Dead is a 2-day event. Let's keep going and celebrate today too. I'm gonna make a dessert.
So today, I'm getting ready to make hatch green chili chicken enchilada soup. And that's what we're making today. What do you got going on?
I'm gonna make a Mexican hot chocolate pie. Doesn't that sound good? Yours sounds amazing.
Oh, that sounds absolutely incredible. Well, I need to get a cooking, so I'll talk at you later. We'll see how it turns out. Bye.
I am ready to make this Mexican hot chocolate pie. It's gonna be good and it's gonna be spicy. I need a cup of heavy whipping cream. I'm gonna heat this up in a pan, just to steaming. Don't let it boil. In a bowl, I need a cup of bittersweet chocolate. Add the hot cream to the chocolate chips. And I've waited a minute, now I whisk it in. Add a tablespoon of vanilla, teaspoon of cinnamon, teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half teaspoon of ginger, and 1 egg. Whisk it up. Add to a graham cracker crust. I'm going to heat this in a 350-degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. I want the edges to set, and the middle will just be a little wiggly. It's out of the oven and smells fantastic. Now I just need to let it cool down for a couple hours. Here it is. That sure is pretty. Mexican hot chocolate pie. Ooh, it's wonderful, and it has a bit of spice at the end. This is terrific. It was so great collaborating with my friend Michael from Galley of the Sun. This looks so great. I wonder how his looks. Go and visit his channel. Thanks for watching.
T-A-C-O. T-A-C-O-O.